Oh my god, they're blue, they're shiny. I don't want anything more to be happy, to be very content and find the life meaning, you know? Ready for the next pair of earrings? So here we have the Halloweeny, the bats. I think that these are perfect not only for Halloween, of course you are at my channel people, but for all the year, like I can combine them with a lot of goth looks. I feel that they will be great. They are kinda plastic, so they will not in danger to be destroyed by perfumes or stuff like that. So yeah, very good purchase for 1 or 2 euros that I spent for them. Next item, which I'm gonna talk about, is these elvish ears. Actually, I'm not mega impressed from the quality. They are plastic, very plastic in a bad way, but I'm planning to use some acrylics and repaint them to make them look more realistic, or according to the concept, I might make them green, I don't know, who knows, no one knows. And I think that I have bought some fake earrings, so I think that I can adjust some of them, so I can even add earrings, so that's actually very cool in my mind, and I really can't wait to use them. I know that I have said it a lot of times today, but I'm so excited because I actually took a lot of things for quite a good price, I would say, and I feel that all the props are giving me so much inspiration for future makeups, and I really cannot hide it. The ears went straight to the props inventory, and I'm gonna continue by some earrings. Yeah, I know, I bought a lot of earrings, okay? I'm using a lot, I want a huge variety. So here we have some snakes, which are shaping two very lovely hearts. They're very unique, and I feel that they feel at this pastel goth vibe that I'm having these days. So again, can't wait to use them. We continue with even more rhinestones. So here we have this kit, which contains 12 different designs of rhinestones. They are unevenly cut, as you can see them. So I can imagine 2 ways to use them. First of all, in more abstract and artistic makeup looks, or secondly, in order to create some props and put them kinda randomly. Ready for some more pastel goth vibes? So here we have another choker, which is holographic, with trooks, aka some spikes, and oh my god, I'm in love with it. When I saw it, I said, yeah, this is for me. I can match it with a million of outfits right now, and it really represents me and my style these days. These days, I would say, I used to be a little bit more darker, a little bit more straight to the dark side, to the dark path, but these days I embrace the cute side a little bit more, so I find this perfect for this purpose. And do you know what can it be the perfect match for the choker that I showed you? These tiny face jewels, which are kinda like spikes. So I'm planning to create eyeliners and put them on the eyeliner and create the absolute metal look. I realized that I completely forgot to tell you about this makeup today. So I have filmed a step-by-step tutorial for this, and also I will have an Instagram post. It's not uploaded yet, but it's coming very soon. If you're wondering about my Instagram, it's gonna be Cat Lady Antigone. Down here, there you will see me wearing a lot of the products that I show you today. There you can zoom in to see all these details from the makeup and many more other interesting stuff. Did I say that I actually do not enjoy golden things? Well, so here we have some very nice earrings with cute ribbons, and I really couldn't resist buying them because I know myself, and sometimes I reach for golden makeup looks or even more golden accessories, so I said why not? They were mega cute. I feel that they fit my style and personality, and I feel that I didn't have any similar in my collection, so why not? Here we have them. Remaining to the golden stuff, here we have another wheel with face jewelry. This time everything inside here is golden, so we can find some golden sun, golden diamonds and flowers and moons, even the Eiffel Tower. And then we have some golden, I don't know the English word, is it hippocampus? Because in Greek it's hippocampus, so I guess they are very close. If not, please write down in the comments the correct word. And I actually, now that I'm thinking, today I told you 2 Greek words. Wow, we're learning a lot today. The last golden thing for today is this face sticker right here, with the star and some moons and some more stars. I find that this gives me Sailor Moon vibes for some reason. Maybe it's the combination of pink and yellow, but I'm thinking to create more Sailor Moon characters since I have done only one. If you missed that, actually I don't have a video, but I have a post on Instagram so you can go there and see it. But I'm planning to do videos soon with Sailor Moon characters because I really love that anime, and probably I'm gonna use this for this idea. Even more earrings! So now I'm gonna show you a set. First of all, we have a lot of different earrings in the set, no pairs actually. I think that this one right here will fit perfectly at my hole there. I don't know, is it called helix? No, yes, I'm not a pro when it comes to holes. I know that I want to do this one right here, and I know that this is called concha? Something like that. I was looking for it. I'm so afraid of the pain, that's why I haven't done it yet. But this one right here was quite okay, I didn't feel any pain, so I think that I might go soon. Anyway, back to relevancy. Also we have this one right here. Okay, oh, this one just broke. Yeah, bad quality. Okay, yeah, you're buying from Shein, you cannot expect to have top-notch quality, like you pay 1 to 2 euros for a lot of earrings. So yeah, not very happy, but to be honest, this was how's it called? Oh, I don't remember the word for the hole right here. Actually, I don't like it for myself. For other people it's absolutely fine, but I don't feel that it fits my style and my personality, so actually I wasn't planning to use this one specifically, so I don't really care for this being broken. But I'm gonna continue by showing you the two last pieces of the set. So here we have another one. It's again only one. It's moon with some stars and some pearls, very nice one. And the last is this one right here. This one is kind of weird but unique at the same time, so I don't know, I feel that I will use them a lot since they are silver, and you know how much I love silver. Next, let's talk about another headpiece. So here we have cat ears with some little bells here. Oh my god, these are so cute! Look at me with these, like, amazing, right? Actually, these little bells are causing some kind of anxiety to my little cat, so I'm not gonna wear them outside this room, because in this room my cats do not have access and I do not really want to cause them stress unnecessarily, but for filming and for photo shoots I find them perfect. Next, I'm gonna show you two things. I bought them separately, they are sold separately, but I'm planning to use them together. That's why I'm showing them together to you. So, first of all, here we have a choker with gummy bears. Oh my god, I love gummy bears as a design. To be honest, I hate gummy bears as a candy. I don't like all the jelly candies in general, but when it comes to jewelry or, I don't know, t-shirt prints, stuff like that, I love them. I find them extremely cute, and as a combination to them I bought these earrings. So all these gummy bears in different colors, I'm gonna show you two in order to understand what we are talking about. These are the purple ones, and I feel that here we will have the best combo. When I'm looking at my box here, I find a lot of stuff that I really do not want to tell you, because first of all, they are studio decorations, so I don't want to spoil anything to you, and secondly, this is a big spoiler, we're planning to have a wheel, to play some games here, to invite people to do fun stuff, and for this we have bought some items to be able to create it, but unfortunately I cannot show anything to you. It's still a secret, it will be a secret for quite a few time, but after a while you will be very happy with the result. I can guarantee this to you. So next item here is another choker. This is quite simple, but I like it because I don't want every day to be, you know, mega extra day for me. I want to have some more everyday accessories. Can I say this word for this choker right here? Let's say that for my style this is an everyday item. I really like it, like it's simple but it's beautiful at the same time. It's a very nice one. I also wanna be 100% honest with you, I have bought some clothes as well, but I don't feel that they fit with the makeup slash accessories thing that we are having today in this channel. If you want me in the future to include clothes, if you're interested in this, please write down in the comments. And also, if you're curious to see these clothes, make sure that you have subscribed to this channel and hit the notification bell, because I'm planning to wear them in future videos and I'm gonna mention them that they are from Shein. So make sure that you're not gonna miss them. Next, we continue with the last face jewelry that I have bought right here, and here we have some tiny snowflakes, and actually they're not paper or bad plastic, they're quite heavy. Can you hear the sound? Can you hear the sound? So I'm not really sure about the material, but I feel that they will be different from the ones that I have already. And should I say it again? Should I say it again? Am I allowed to do so? Can't wait to try them. The final earrings that I have to show you for today are these ones right here. First of all, we have some fake earrings for nose or for the upper part of the ear. I already told you that I do not enjoy this type of septum. Oh, wait, I found the word, it's septum. I do not really enjoy septum, so I basically gonna use them only for my ears, but they are kinda cool and they have the spikes, so they're extra cool in my mind. And secondly, I have these right here. I'm sorry that I have opened them in advance, but they are so nice. First of all, we have an ear cuff. I love ear cuffs. I love them so much, and they do not require a hole necessarily, so I can definitely put it here at my other ear, and it has a lot of stars here. I find it so cute. And also this pack contained this one right here for the other ear. It's basically some more stars, why not? Who says no to stars? Antigone from the future is here. Actually, I decided to do the Shein video in two parts, so here's the Greek word for today. So, for part 2, I decided to tell you the Greek word for affordable. So, in Greek, we say οικονομικός. Say with me, οικονομικός. As always, I would like to ask you to write a comment down below using the word οικονομικός, or tell me the word affordable in your own native language. See you! We will end today's haul with another choker. Here we have the absolute black edition of the heart choker. I just found it right now, otherwise I have included them with the other collection. Again, it's what I said for the previous ones. It's cute, it's nice. I'm looking forward to wear it! And basically, this was our video for today. I know it was quite a long video. I bought a lot of products, but I was so excited to show them to you. I hope that you like it. I hope that you enjoyed the video. If yes, don't forget to give it a big like in order to encourage me to do more hauls, because I don't know how I feel about hauls. Mainly I'm doing makeup, but I have a lot of enthusiasm about the things that I'm buying, so I really want to know if you're as interested as I am to that. Again, thank you so much for being here with me today. See you next time. Until then, bye bye!